what's going on, guys? It's Ricky with Tech Solutions, and in the next couple of minutes, I'm going to be talking about why I don't think that you should invest in alert-based systems. I want you guys to know that, again, this is based off of my opinion, and the reason that I'm making this video is my name is Ricky. I run the largest YouTube channel and the largest private Facebook group for those who invest in the stock market. Coming around the corner, 2019, we've been getting a lot of new traders joining our community. And one of the biggest questions that they've been getting is like, again, they're super motivated, they're super pumped, and they want to learn more and actively start to trade, top trending stocks. And there's these different alert-based systems that people offer. But the reason that I don't think, again, and I'm gonna give you different examples, but the reason that I don't think someone should invest in alert-based systems when they're just getting started, especially for beginner traders, is because you haven't developed your own eye for value. You haven't developed your certain criteria that every stock has to meet or every investment has to meet before you value it as a quality investment. You guys might be asking, well, why does that even matter? Like, why can't I trade based off of other people's opinion? That's one of the biggest mistakes that people make. And when someone alerts you that, hey, this ticker symbol is trending, usually a lot of alert-based systems and the filtration systems and the criteria that they have set up that alert other people are based off of volume, volatility, and series of qualities that are extremely, extremely risky. This is very difficult for a newer trader to understand where to enter, where to exit, and where to cut losses successfully when they're just simply, presented a stock that is trending, but with no plan. There's no structure, there's no understanding of what they're about to get themselves into. And again, that is one of the biggest reasons. Asking that question backwards, why I don't think that newer traders should invest in alert-based systems as they're just getting started is, again, going back to the basics of you have not developed your own eye for value. One of the biggest, I think, take-backs that a new trader should really dedicate time to is to cherry pick different best practices, different qualities that they find attractive and that they see that works well with their own style of trading that they see from others. So let's say you like a specific best practice of me, right? I'm pretty conservative. I, don't trade a bunch of different stocks. I, as of right now, have a huge focus on natural gas ETFs. Let's say you like that quality about me. It doesn't mean that you like natural gas ETFs. It just means that you like that I'm very micro-focused. Great. But let's say that you don't like that I'm super conservative. Great. Let's say you find that quality or something a little bit more attractive from someone else. You cherry pick that quality and you implement it into your own. So then you begin to cherry pick a bunch of different best practices, a bunch of different qualities that will develop and uniquely make up your own specific style for trading. So then when you're presented an idea of, hey, this might be a stock that you might want to look into, then you at least have the general understanding due to the knowledge and due to the experience that you dedicated to understand what is valued as a quality trade to make up that, hey, yeah, I actually do think that that's a good trade, and not just a beginner trader that's like, okay, hey, DRYS is trending, it's a penny stock, I think I'm gonna make it or break it or it's gonna go to the moon, then great, I'm gonna invest in it and hope for the best. Again, that it just doesn't work like that. You guys have to understand that 90% of people who invest in the market lose money. So what is it that you're going to implement on the day-to-day basis that is going to set you apart? Again, this video is not made to hate on anyone by any means. This video is solely here to remind you how important it is to develop your own eye for value and make sure that you're dedicating time, that you're dedicating your effort to be that 10%. And what is it that you are going to do this 2019 to be that difference? Right? To be that 10%, to actually consistently grow your account. It means that you're going to have to dedicate time and effort to develop your own eye for value, to make mistakes, to learn from them, to create best practices that other people can learn from and share them with one another. Be empowered that it's going to take time. Be empowered by your mistakes. Be empowered by the whole learning curve. Because again, you're going to have and you're working towards this luxury of being able to make money by investing money. And that's something that you have to earn. So I really do appreciate your guys' time. Again, I wanted to keep this super simple. I hope you guys had an absolute amazing holiday. I do want to remind you guys that tomorrow is our free live trading session. So if you want to watch me trade live absolutely for free, be sure to click that first link in the description. After you save your spot for our free trading session, I am also going to be flying out one lucky member to spend 2 days with me and the TechBuds team here in Gilbert, Arizona, all expenses paid. So again, if you guys want to learn about, how I've grown the largest community around the stock market, the different businesses that we own, and just a little bit more about our lifestyle, I would love to, spend 2 days with you and just kind of have you pick up my brain and just hang out, right? Kickstart 2019 on a green note. So again, be sure to click that first link in the description if you guys want to watch me trade live. And if you guys feel like you guys are ready to kickstart 2019 on a green note and have watched a couple of my videos and like my investing style, be sure to click that second link in the description to learn a little bit more about the Learn, Plan, Profit lesson library, where not only do you get access to the A to Z video lesson library for a lifetime, but you also get to watch me trade live every single day. Not once a week, not once a month, but every single day at market open. You get to watch me trade live. You see my entries, you see my exits for about 45 minutes to an hour every single day. Be sure to join and stay connected with our free Facebook group that's linked down below, and also be sure to follow me on Instagram. I hope that you guys liked this video, and like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.